Hello guys, welcome back to another live index trading video. So we'll go with the analysis first. I have taken trades and booked a good profit today, right? On Friday, I usually try to book profits like small book to small profit and closing terminal early, right? So we'll go with the Nifty chart first, right over here. So as you can see, here I have marked some levels over here. You can clearly see why I have marked. So here there is a support zone. Here also support. Just look at, if I extend this, it will take resistance at this level, right? So if you switch to the 15-minute time frame, you can clearly see there are these supports and resistance, right? Just look at this support, resistance, small like support, but support broken, resistance right over here, support. So that's why I have marked this zone at this level. Okay, so currently market is at, like, was at same level. If you see, this was the that zone right over here. So market has given a breakdown, like in first minute it came down, it went up right over here. So I was watching 1 minute time frame at this level. You can clearly see market came here, shoot up, and like I have drawn the previous swing also. The previous swing is, just look at this was the previous swing. This was just for my confirmation, guys. If I find reversal at this level, definitely I will try to book profit, right? But here what happened after this candle, it has made, like here also, if you see, my entry got triggered at this level. The day high was like around here, so here that was a bullish sign, right? But here there was a resistance also, and you can see the stop loss right over here. If I tell you in CE chart over here, just look at this. So I'm trying to enter at this level, right? So at this level, you can clearly see, if I enter at this level, my stop loss is like 20-25 points, right? And here there is no scope for target, so that's why I did not try entering in this trade right over here. Then I notice the bank nifty has broken the day low. If you see at 921 candle over here, and the same candle, just look at this level. So this was the engulfing candle, and here on the second candle, like, bank nifty has broken the day low, right? So bank nifty went in down trade because the day low was getting broken. But here I have not added option prices of bank nifty, so I thought, let's take trade in nifty if SL is like very small over here, right? So I traded in nifty. If you see over here, I just added at 922 candle right over here. Stop loss was just like previous candle low, which is like 10-12 rupees, right? And here I booked almost like 192 level, I think. And I exited in the reason was so simple. Bank nifty was in uptrend, right? So there is a possibility that it can go up from this level also, right? So as soon as it has reached to this level, I just tried booking profit, right? Okay, let's see. Here I entered over here at 922 level, and within a 1.5 minute, I just booked good gain, and I just closed the terminal over here, right? So here, if you see, like, I booked a good gain and I exited from that trade, and now you can see, like, here also the trend was uptrend, so that's why market has just recovered the full move. Again went up, consolidated, came down. You can clearly see a retracement, again up move, again retracement, again up move, again retracement, and again it is trying to move up, right? So if I tell you at this level, you can clearly see first time, second time, and third time it has worked. So you have to avoid now, right? Because already market is up. So fourth time, fifth time, you don't need to try, right? Right over here. So if I tell my entry, like, possible entries, exit over here, I was not ready. I was watching nifty and bank nifty, and here in the first trade I made a good profit, so that's why I did not try entering in this trade also. Right over here, if you see over here, just look at this right over here. So this was the trade where it has hit 1 is to 2.5 over here. Again, if you see over here, the trade is still running. You can book profit or hold your trade also. But here obviously you have to book profit early when it's a Friday, right? We'll see on graph over here, like, how much target hit for third target right over here. So if you see clearly, like, if you see clearly over here, you can clearly see entry was at around 326. It has given a good profit of almost 12 rupees, and stop loss was around, like, if you see over here, the stop loss is also like 1 is to 1 hit it. Definitely you can hold, or you can trade it to cost. Here might you can, like, you will get exited to cost to cost also. There is nothing to worry about that. It's fine, right? Okay, let's see. And talking about the bank nifty, you can clearly say at this level, this was the day low broken. So here the it has hit 1 is to 2 over here. Retracement, again, there was no sign here. There is a sign like hammer candle over here, but the low was not broken, or even you can say it has made a upwards spike, right? But here you can see up move, retracement, again up move. So it was taking resistance at this level, right? As soon as it has broken this low, you can definitely take entry at this level, and your trailing SL will get hit at this level, right? nothing to worry about that, right? It's fine because it happens sometimes that here you have booked a good gain, here you can exit with 1:1, or you can exit at cost to cost, or even you can exit with 1:1 SL, right? But here you got 1:1, so definitely you will try to exit at this level, right? And here there is no confirmation, because after this level there has to be like up move, but here the market is not moving up, so that means here it has a resistance, right? So we have to take trade on selling side with the very small stop loss, right? So every entry will be like sell entry, because of this trend is negative. If day high gets broken out, then you have to go for only buy entries, right? But in case of Nifty, this is a different story right over here, right? Nifty is fully in uptrend right over here, so definitely you can try up moves. But here I have shown you that it has worked 2 or 3 times, right? If you like, if you see over here, one time, second time, and third time it has worked, so you have to avoid this, right? And we need a big retracement also. If you see, Nifty is up by almost 200 plus points. If you see over here, 230 plus point, right? 230 points, that means we need at least 0.5% or 0.382% retracement. And this is a possible if you see the swing was at around this level. And just look at this. So here we need retracement till 0.236 or 0.382. This might be possible or not be possible, but here you have to be like ready for that, right? Even you can see over here, when it came at this level, like this swing, it came up to like 0.236, or you can say day low, and then it went up, right? Again you can see now the high is like this. Even you can draw like this also, right? Here the day low and day high, right over here. Just look at this, right? So if I tell you over here, just look at this, day low, day high. Again this day high, it came again 236 over here, right? And if I mark again this high, like this high is like closely the same one, right? It's just a stop loss hitting high. So we'll take this, and we'll see taking support at this level, right? So as soon as this low gets broken out, you can go here for short till this target, or like at this level also, right? And one more thing, we'll delete this Fibo right over here, and just look at the structure. This is the high, right? Again this is the high right over here. This is the low, 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 and low over here, right? Now are higher highs, right? So as soon as this low gets shifted, you have to wait for the counter trend line and lower high, right? So lower high right over here. So if you get lower high, then definitely like you can go here for short for this target, or like first target and second target will be like this, right? So at this level or at this level, definitely you can book 1:1 or 1:2 as per the SL, right? And you have to hold that for your entry exit, right, as per the SL target. So if your SL is like 20 points, you have to wait for first 20 points and then think you have to book profit or you have to hold. If your SL is 30 points, then you have to wait for first 30 points and then you have to take trade, or you have to hold trade till 40 points, 50 points, 60 points. But you have to wait till 30 points, right? So if it hits your stop loss of 30 points, just exit. But if it doesn't hit 30 rupees SL, then you have to wait at least 1:1. And if it is goes down by 1:1, then you can trail your SL, or then you can hold it for target 2 also, right? Okay, that's it for the day, guys. So even you can clearly see Bank Nifty is just hitting SL because of premium decay. Many times SL get hit. If I switch over here, okay, just look at this. Okay, it has not hitted the this one SL, but the previous swing obviously hitted over here, right? If you see, okay, this is a CE graph. We have to see PE graph over here, right? We'll see PE graph over here. The trend is negative, so definitely you can take trade over here. Just look at this. The previous entry was at this level. If you see, the previous stop loss was like 45 points, it went up to 168, right? So it has given a good profit right over here. And this level, just look at second entry got triggered at this level. It went up to like 53 points with the stop loss of 30 rupees, so it's like 1 is to 1.5. But then it came down. You can clearly see the swing has been broken out, and now it has hit stop loss of many traders, right? But here the swing high, it like near the swing high, and it was not going down. But here, because of premium decay, stop loss get hit at right over here. So obviously you have to take SL, and you have to wait for another opportunity. We'll see over here. Now in case of Bank Nifty, low, low, and low, right? So here the low is getting shifted, but the high is like same over here, right? So high is same, like same over here. So as soon as this high get broken out, definitely you can go here with the buy sign because of Nifty, and you can book accordingly right over here. So if it comes at this level, or if it gives breakdown, and then you have to go with the like previous low stop loss, and day high will be like first target and second target will be like this. But here the trend is negative, so you have to first look for the sell entries, right? And talking about Nifty, Nifty has already moved good, so Nifty need a retracement right over here. And just look at this, it is now consolidating, right? So Nifty can consolidate or Nifty can go down also. If it consolidate, it's fine. If it goes down, it will be fine, but the trend will be like positive itself, right? For Bank Nifty, if it is go down, it will be a downfall, and if it is go up, then there will be like retracement, right? We'll see over here what happened to this trade. According to the trend is negative, so we'll see how this trade works, right? So here the only one thing on Friday is like premium decay, so book accordingly as per your like risk management over here, right? And we'll see, like we'll update you, like this trade is going in our favor. And Bank Nifty, okay, Bank Nifty is in favor over here, right? You can clearly see a movement of 32 rupees for a candle movement of 45 rupees, right? But here the important thing is that it has moved almost like 90 points, right? So 90 points from this top, but from this bottom it has moved almost like, okay, 55 points. So it is like 1 is to like 2 is to 1. So every 2 rupees Bank Nifty move, Bank Nifty is giving 1 point in options, right? I am likely to close my day because just first like one trade and I have made a good profit, right? And now on Friday we can't expect big profits right over here. Okay, that's it for the day, guys. Closing my day, and here I will upload today and I will close my day, right? Thank you, guys.